YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Niche. If you read the title, then you know we are getting into the details of this curly pretty wig. And yeah, we get into the details of this wig, and then also I'm gonna go ahead and style it. This is how I do my everyday styling for the deep wave, for a deep wave unit like such that we have installed. But before we get into that, don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know that you're here, subscribe, and join the family. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. Yes, 100 subscribers. So yeah, go ahead, do all that. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get some notifications when I drop a new video. And we are going to be dropping weekly in 2023. Don't doubt me, okay? Don't doubt me. But yeah, let's get right into this wig. Let's get right into this video. I am going to be just basically how I would do like an everyday styling of a deep wave wig. This deep wave wig in particular, I got this wig from Pretty Hair Weave in Chicago, and I picked it up in store. I actually did not record that, but I did record me getting this wig installed. So let's go ahead and watch that clip of me getting the hair. So I went to the Pretty Hair store and got the hair, and this is the box that it came in. It came like this, and I already took the wig out and everything, so I have it out the net already. It is giving before. I have it not washed it, and I'm gonna go get it installed. The lace.
Just feel so right. I don't wanna waste no time. If I had to choose, I know I'm gonna always choose to be with you. Cause girl, don't you know you're so beautiful. I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not just tonight, but the rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side. Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful. I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not just tonight, but the rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side. When you're not here, you don't know how much I miss.
First, I know I want to say that hair is just not the same anymore. Like, I don't want to put an age on myself, but I started wearing weave like bundles after Remy hair was a thing. Like after Remy hair kind of faded out from the beauty supply, and you had to order your hair from like AliExpress and stuff like that, or Dream Weave hair. Like, hair used to be very expensive, but it was expensive and you had the best quality. Like, the quality matched the price. These days, I feel like the ticket does not match. It just doesn't match. And I'm not going to say that about this hair. This hair is actually really soft, and you can tell, like, look, I just wet it last night, and that was all I did to this hair. You really could just go like this, to be honest. But I'm just gonna show you how I revive it, how I get my curls wavy, and how I keep it like this, basically. But yeah, so what I was saying is, like, I feel like hair is just not the same no more. Like, obviously things change. So I have this water bottle, but I don't have the right squirter because my beauty supply didn't sell it. And I'm surprised that the beauty supply even sold like this kind of water bottle with only the nozzle that squirts straight and not like mists. But I need to get a mist type one. But yeah, I can talk about a million subjects in 5 minutes. If y'all haven't noticed, it's called ADD, ADHD, I don't know which one. But yeah, so hair just not the same no more, like, at all. This hair is beautiful, this hair is nice, but one thing I have noticed about the hair, honestly, I don't even have no complaints about this hair. This is a closure wig, and I got it installed, and I'll leave the woman who I went to get my hair installed by in my description box. Go ahead and check her out. She did her shit. But yeah, so this hair is not bad. It's not bad hair. It's actually really soft. I know I said that a million times already now, but it's actually really soft. But my problem with it is the ends. Like, this is not my first time having curly hair. It's my first time having curly hair in a long time, but it's not my first time having curly hair. And I just feel like curly hair is not the same no more. Or hair is not the same anymore. It's just the ends are, here, I'll show you guys. Like, they're nice when I put water on them and stuff like that. They get soft. They detangle really easily. The hair detangles easily for the most part. It really does. I give it like a 8.7 out of 10 to be precise on the detangling. And yeah, but basically there's always some shedding. Like, I feel like it's always something coming out, and I know it's curly hair. Like, it's kind of hard not to pull out some strands with curly hair, but it's like a decent amount. And I don't know if it's because I'm not, I don't know, but it's like a decent amount. Like, we're gonna see. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna show you how much hair comes out. But maybe watch it not even, no, I shouldn't. I was gonna say, watch it not even try to shed while I'm right here, but no. But other than that, that is like my biggest thing about this hair so far. So basically, I put it into those 2 at night. I put it into those 2 twists, and I just wrap it up, and I put my bonnet on top of that. So I just spray it with some water. Like I said, this is just basically like refreshing the hair. And these curls are pretty. Like, the luster is gorgeous on this hair. You can't deny it. It's gorgeous hair. The lace, obviously, my stylist, and you can see that that's where the wig stops, or the closure stops. But yeah, so clearly my stylist, like, she plucked and bleached my knots and everything like that. And yeah, so but yeah, so I went into the store and I got this hair, and it was pretty quick. There wasn't nobody really in the store. They was having a sale going on. I don't remember what, but it was like a holiday sale after, was it after Christmas or the weekend before Christmas? I don't remember. One of those two. And they were having a sale, like a, well, yeah, a sale. I got this hair for with tax, $4.90. So and I think it was like $400 without tax. But the taxes in Chicago be ridiculous. So yeah, I paid with card, and that was what the tax was. So I just wet it. You don't, well, I don't need it super damp, but the fact that this thing is not a mister, it just doesn't get everywhere, so I have to literally spray directly in the parts. So as you see, like, it, well, for the most part, it comes, you know, it goes through, you know, and that's while it's wet. Obviously, curly hair is hard to get through while it's dry. I don't know, I just expected, like, I feel like the ends are just a little dry or matted or something. Not matted, I'm not sure what to say, how to explain it. But so then I put a little bit of this oil in there in my hair, and I focus on the ends because, like I said, they just seem to be so dry. So, and that's cool, but like I said, it's just, I don't know, maybe I'm just so used to certain hair, and that, like, I don't wear, and I don't spend a ton of, I have not been spending like a ton of money on hair. So I feel like when I spend my money, and when I'm spending my money, period, when you spend your money on anything, you want your money's worth, you know? So the fact that I'm just so used to honestly getting, I feel like, quality hair from, this was probably 2015, around 2015, let's say. The hair was like just coming out, like black women, black girls like me were just starting to find out about bundles, closures were not a thing, frontals were not a thing. It was leave outs only. And I just feel like I used to spend like $900 on 4 bundles. I would not even mind. Cause girl, my hair would last years. Like really, like truly last years. And they say that hair lasts years depending on how you take care of it. But I really just don't feel like that's the same. I don't feel like it's the same no more. I don't feel like the quality is the same. And even like lace closures aren't the same no more. You could tell like when lace closures started coming out, what was that, 3 years ago? Cause I wasn't really hip to them like that, but maybe even 4 years ago. I don't remember. It was around 4 or 5 years ago, probably, when lace closure started getting like big and lace just started getting like bigger. Oh yeah, and I'm putting on now this mousse. That is what's going in my hair currently. But what was I saying? I don't remember. Why was I not recording? Well, I accidentally thought I was recording. It wasn't. But basically, I'm done with the mousse. I put enough mousse in my hair. And I wanted to show you guys the ball of hair that was left, but I don't know if it just flew away or what. The hair is gone. But yeah, lace and hair is just not the same no more. But while my camera was not recording, I put this on my hair, and I put just a little bit because I don't want it to be, I really don't want my hair to be like weighed down. I just really want it to stay soft throughout the day and have a little sheen and everything like that. And I want to make sure that my ends stay nice and curly or whatever, and just so they don't look too dry, you know. So I try to focus mainly on that part, but yeah, so that's really all I do. And then if I want a little extra shine, put some more oil in. And again, not too heavy on the oil because I don't want it weighed down. And I'm gonna spray my hand. Put some more water at the bottom. And then if you do, I think if you do want like a like this wet wavy look to stay, I think if you put a little bit more product in it and maybe even use your diffuser, it would stay just like that. Or maybe even use like a little bit of curl cream, some gel or something like that. But yeah, so then it kind of just dries up, just kind of how you guys saw it a little bit. And this is really it. My robe is coming undone. That is how I style my deep wave wig. That's how I style my deep wave wig. Nothing to it really. It's pretty simple every day. And like I said, you don't have to do this every day. As long as you take care of it every day and you wrap it up and you put those twisted up and stuff like that, you really don't have to do this every single day. You can literally add some water to it, maybe add a little bit more mousse or foam or something like that, and then it will you know, revive back up and the sheen will come back alive. So that is the hair. And I'm gonna give this hair like a, I'm gonna give this hair like an 8 out of 10 overall. Shedding, that is like a 6.5 for me. And I know it's curly hair, but I just don't think it needs to be this much. Like I said, it's every time I run my fingers through it when I got it done. So I don't know, but like today's not doing it as much. And that makes me think like it was shedding because it's new. I don't know. I'm not sure. But you can see, like, I got, let's see, you probably can't see, but there's hair. I lost some of the hair in the beginning, so I can't really tell you how much shed or show you how much it shed. But yeah, I say I give it like a 6, 7 out of 10 for shedding. And then as far as softness, I will give it an 8. And I feel like it is true to length. It is definitely, I feel like there is some shine and sheen, but only at the top, really. And you got to add to it. And like, you see my ends, like, they already look like this. So see if I add some mousse and see what happens. Add some mousse to the ends, some more mousse. But yeah, so they were looking like this when I originally did it, but the ends get very dry, and yeah, it just gets dry and it doesn't look like the rest of the hair. It's not as curly. But I like it. I like the hair overall. I think, like I said, I think this is a pretty hair. It's very full. It's very full. For a closure wig, I think this is extremely full. Like, you really couldn't tell this is a closure wig unless, you know. So yeah. But yeah, that's all I got. That is all I got for this video and for this wig. That wasn't too much. I just don't have too many details on it. But yeah, that was really it. That was real quick, short and simple. This wig has not been giving me no problems. This wig is really good, and I feel like since I have it installed, I actually would like to, I've been saying this, I really want to do a glueless wig. I would love to try this one as a glueless wig, considering it's curly. I think that would be really pretty. So maybe we'll try that with this and try to change it into a glueless wig. But it actually does come with a strap, so maybe I can adjust it to fit my head right, and then I can just wear glueless when I take it out, take this install out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you know, let me know if you want to go, if you're gonna go get you one of these wigs, or what wig, like, where you be going to get your wig. Let me know if this wig interests you. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the wig. Let me know if you like my install, my side part. I typically don't do side parts like that. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know that you're here, you like the video. Go ahead and like the video. And don't forget to subscribe, because again, we are on the road to 100 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed, I do not know what you are doing, girl. It is lit where we at. So go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell button and get notified every time I drop a new video. We're gonna be dropping every single week a new video. So yeah, I can't wait. 2023 is lit. Let's get it. And I will see y'all all in the next video. Bye.
Let's go.